Hi, welcome to part 5 of the video school. The path to the oval, path 2. Today, the oval can also be used like this, where you just get this extra shell that you dump it into, and this is actually basically the same as the 1660 regular oval. This one just has the long tailpiece here that go through the door to activate a lock that is not inside the door blade but on the back of the door. As I showed you the historical version in I think video 005, and let's see how we managed to get oval on this one. You can see you have the two mounting screws here on the top, and when we look at the modern locks for this type of oval, you can see it has the two screw holes up here or up here, depending on what way your door is facing, and it actually, for historical reasons, still has these two screw holes down here for the old cylinders that I'll show you in a second. So even if you refuse to replace your crappy old cylinder, you can still go and buy a new lock case and put on the inside to improve your security with this nice powerful locking bolt, if that's what you need, or just the latching one, like this is the modern version of the one I showed in the historical video about the ruko lock. So these are the two main types with the thumb turn on the inside, and of course it's also available with a key on the inside if you want it as an extra lock. Again, we can see that this is the old version of the 5-pin. It has the rounded core, so no security in here. It's all for decoration. That's a thing from the past. Again, it supports the new and the old style of ovals on the outside of the door. This one you have seen. And when we look at the logo, we can see we have a rounded top here. So basically the way to tell that these are different is actually by looking at the logos, and I'll just show you a quick run through of the logos so we can see how things has actually changed over the years. And first let's have a quick look at this one. This is actually another of these ones. This is another lock made out of zinc from time around the war, where good quality metals were not that widely available, so you still needed your security. But and this one again fixed with two screws through the door blade and a bracket on the door frame. So another historical object there. Then we can see we have like this one, looks like this on the back, and we have this one, it's also a ruko and extremely old. This one actually supports up to 4 screws, so that this should be really safe. And still it has that long tailpiece. Actually these old ones have a horizontal tailpiece, and when you look at the modern ones you can actually see that it's vertical. So everything has been turned 90 degrees since then. Also have this one. Now they made an oval ring around the logo, so, and now it's flat for some reason on the front here, the core, but there's still no magic inside this. We have this one with a nice long curve on the R there. It's very decorative. It's a few scratches, but I guess that happens in 70 years in the field. This one, small logo as well, a bit like the first one. Still minor design changes all the way. And this one is actually basically the latest of these round ones, the pre-oval ones, and that's the one that has the distance between the screw holes that is supported by the modern locks. And you can see that the tailpiece is now vertical instead of horizontal, and this is something that people are still using today. That's a bit sad, but that's how it is. And now, where did I put that one? Yeah, this one is actually some of the first ovals for this 5201 lock case, and here it's actually hard mounted, press fitted onto a regular oval, this outer ring here, instead of being the removable one like we use today. So the oval and the way to the oval, part 2. We'll see these in details in another video. Bye.